We'll guide you through how to add music in CapCut using the latest desktop version. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your computer and start a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Once your project is open, you need to import the video file you wish to edit by clicking the Import button at the top left corner and selecting your video file from your computer. After your video is in the timeline, go to the top menu and click on the Audio tab. Here, you'll see options to either add music from your local files or explore CapCut's music library. For local files, click Upload and choose the desired audio file from your computer. If you prefer using CapCut's music, browse through the categories or search for a specific track using the search bar. Once you've chosen your music, click on it to preview, and then click Add to place it onto your timeline. You'll now see the music track appear beneath your video clip. To adjust the music to your liking, you can click and drag the edges of the audio track to trim it or move it to sync perfectly with your video. If you need to adjust the volume, click on the audio track to open the audio settings panel on the right side, where you can slide the volume bar up or down. You can also add effects like fade in or fade out by selecting the audio track and then choosing the effect options in the same panel. After you've added and adjusted your music, make sure to play back the video to ensure everything lines up perfectly. Once satisfied, click on Export in the upper right corner to save your final video with music. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.